All right, here we are. We are in New Mexico. Isn't that right, Josie? We're in New Mexico. You see yourself on the screen? And there's a big train that just missed us. We're at a little rest stop. It's like a truck stop in New Mexico. And the weather is very nice for a July day. Oh, look, there's another train. Look at that. Choo-choo. It's a long one. So, it's a beautiful day here in New Mexico. It's about 77 degrees and it's July. We thought it would be a lot hotter than that. Now, I'm pretty sure that once we get to Arizona, it's going to be way more hot. But I was actually thinking New Mexico would be just as bad. But it's actually very nice out. So, say hi, Josie. Say hi. Say hi, Josie. See the camera? Say hi. Yay! Hi. Hi. Okay, well we'll keep filming, and hopefully we can get some nice road footage and more trains. Oh, there's the end of the train. So, all right, Matisse family road trip to Tucson, Arizona. Well, hello there, St. Louis. We are in Arizona. I don't know exactly where in Arizona we are, but there's a lot of really cool rocks and mountains and formations, as you can see behind me. You do not see rock formations like this in Missouri, that is for sure. Here's a happy Josie. Josie, how you doing on your first big road trip? Yeah? Is it so exciting to be in a new place? Yeah? What's mommy doing? She's lotioning you all up and getting you ready for bed. Because by the time we get back to your great-grandparents' house, it's going to be time to go to sleep.
Really bad timing. I'm gonna want to meet you and play with you. Ooh, good
Don't fall over.
Good job. You got yourself. So cool.
Erin, how are you holding up?
I am holding up fine. Looking forward to being there.
Not so much in the car anymore?
Yes. All in all, it really hasn't been that bad.
No. It's actually gone by pretty quickly. And I bet you have a new appreciation for the Beatles.
Yeah.
We've listened to the entire Beatles discography on the way here. Thank you, Spotify.